My name is Bennett Christian. I majored in religious studies at Guilford in 2012.
Andrew Taylor, Guilford class of 2011.
Ruby Brinker-Hoff. I graduated in 2015.
My name's Sasha Lipton-Galbraith. I'm a 2011 Guilford College alum.
Reverend Rachel Randall, class of 2007, and I am a United Methodist elder and hospice chaplain.
Garrett Fitzgerald. I'm a recent graduate of the PhD program in political theory and peace studies here at the University of Notre Dame.
I'm a PhD candidate in religious studies at the University of Virginia.
I work in startups and early stage companies.
Currently a graduate student at the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill.
Where I hold a postdoctoral fellowship in the Kroc Institute for International Peace Studies.
Program officer with the UN Migration Agency in Ethiopia.
The religion department at Guilford really expanded my professional horizons and also really transformed what I thought I was capable of.
Religious studies at Guilford was sort of a combination of anthropology, history, and other studies that really gave you a comprehensive understanding of how people were, how they came to be that way.
I started a lifelong path of studying religion and language.
Religious studies really helped me be more imaginative and more accepting of different worldviews. It really taught me to listen.
It inspires curiosity. It helps you think in the world and from different angles.
The Religious Studies department at Guilford College helped prepare me for my role as a clergy person by teaching me respect for and love for and appreciation of many different faiths, relevant things for how I interact with people on a day-to-day basis, for how I advocate for all of my patients.
The Department of Religious Studies prepared me first and foremost to go on to pursue a Master's of Theological Studies degree at Harvard Divinity School. And here at the University of Notre Dame, I drew on the knowledge and skills that I gained in the Religious Studies department to work with some of the world's foremost scholars and practitioners in the area of religion, conflict, and peace building.
I grew up thinking maybe I would not go to college at all, and I had pretty poor grades and attendance in high school. And then 4 years later, I started grad school at Harvard. And I didn't change much in the interval. It was really just the Guilford professors putting me in a position to succeed professionally.
Guilford has just a pretty incredible tradition of Quaker values, Quaker action. They integrate kind of this more formal academic education with community education. Your intellectual growth is bonded to your personal growth.
The Quaker value of peace has inspired me to pursue work with nonprofit organizations in the US and now humanitarian organizations around the world.
Ways that hadn't even been shown to me in church, I learned about grace and about caring for each other.
The integration of social justice with deep listening and consensus building has been really valuable, particularly over the last year, as we're sort of confronted with how to respond to these deeply oppressive social forces.
Studying religion at Guilford College zoomed me out of the pillars that I most took for granted and showed me the relativity of worldviews.
It taught me that knowledge isn't this linear progression where you start here and then you're done learning. It's not like that. You're learning about people and how they think and how they feel and who they are. And when you really open yourself up to letting them tell you, the learning never ends.